Does your home feel like it's missing that special spark, but you don't want to break the bank for a makeover? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 10 amazing home decor ideas that will transform your space into a stylish sanctuary you'll love coming home to. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or on the hunt for budget-friendly finds, we have the perfect tips for you. So let's dive in and get inspired. Refresh your living room with throw pillows and blankets. Let's begin with the heart of your home, the living room. Imagine sinking into a sofa filled with plush throw pillows and soft, cozy blankets in bold colors or patterns. It's not just an instant makeover, it's a warm hug after a long day. Want to make it even better? Add a gallery wall or a statement mirror to breathe new life into those blank walls. Lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about creating mood and ambience. Soft, warm-toned LED lights can wrap your room in a comforting glow. Picture this: dim lighting, a few candles, and string lights softly twinkling. It's like magic in a room. Use floor lamps to brighten dark corners and make your space feel open and welcoming. Add indoor plants for freshness. Imagine the refreshing touch of greenery as you walk into a room. Plants bring life, color, and a sense of calm. From a big, leafy monstera to a tiny succulent, there's a plant for everyone, even if you don't have a green thumb. Start with easy-to-care for options like snake plants or ZZ plants and watch your space come to life. Your home should tell your story, and bold decor pieces are the perfect storytellers. Think of a striking coffee table, a vintage armchair, or an oversized clock that catches your eye the moment you walk in. These items don't just decorate your room, they bring personality and become the conversation starters of your space. DIY wall art for a personal touch. There's something special about adding a personal touch with your own creations. Let your creativity flow with DIY wall art. Frame your favorite quotes or make your own abstract paintings. It's not only cost effective but adds a piece of you to your home, making it feel truly one of a kind. Feeling stuck with your current setup? Sometimes all it takes is a simple rearrangement to completely change the vibe of a room. Shift your sofa, rotate the chairs, or repurpose an old ladder as a bookshelf. You'll be amazed at how new your space can feel without spending a dime. Create cozy vibes with lighting. Want to turn your space into a cozy retreat? It's all about the right lighting. Imagine relaxing in a room filled with the gentle glow of candles, string lights draped around the windows, and a soft lit corner lamp. It's the perfect recipe for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Add a statement mirror or gallery wall. Blank walls feeling a bit uninspired? A statement mirror or a gallery wall can add depth, dimension, and personality. A large mirror not only makes your space look bigger but also reflects light, brightening the room. Or create a gallery wall with your favorite photos and artwork. It's like a mini museum of your memories. Use bold decor pieces strategically. Be strategic with your bold choices. Instead of cluttering the room, select one or two standout pieces that pop, like an antique sculpture or a striking piece of vintage furniture. These items become the focal points that draw the eye and define your space. Add floating shelves for stylish storage. Need more storage but short on space? Floating shelves are your best friend. They're sleek, functional, and perfect for displaying books, plants, or treasured knickknacks. Plus, they free up floor space, making your room feel more open and airy. And there you have it, 10 incredible home decor ideas that will breathe new life into your space and make it look like it belongs in a design magazine. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fabulous decorating ideas. Now get decorating and make your home a place you adore. See you in the next video.